Hey guys, my name is Benji. Welcome to Suite 1904 at HOEM Jarvis. Come on in. I'm a second-year Ryerson student who's been living at HOEM Jarvis for 2 years. Let me show you around. Every kitchen in the HOEM Jarvis suites are fully equipped with everything you need. From fridge and stove, a microwave and dishwasher, even a full set of silverware, pots and pans. In my closet I store my clothes, hats, masks, keys, and anything else I need to put away. I also brought a mini fridge from home that fits nicely compact in my room. I got these shelves on Amazon, put them together, and they store my clothes and any other knickknacks I need, nice and compact against the wall. This is my setup, although it does look much better at night. Right off the desk you have an amazing view of the city and my window bed. As cool as the space looks during the day, let's check it out at night. Ta-da! I love having ambient lighting around, on the ceiling, in the corners, LEDs. I have my desktop set up at night with some nice wallpapers. I just find it makes everything really relaxing. And yeah, that's kind of the end of my home tour. I love living here. It's been great to be in the city and to be connected to so many different things. The community at home is really amazing, and everybody is always happy to help out with whatever you need down at the desk or in the office, and the friends you make here have just been incredible, and my experience has been amazing. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and see you later.